Okay guys, the next thing that we're gonna do for my mum for Mother's Day is make the most delicious TOUM ever. Guys, no one is more excited to talk to you about TOUM than me. Enjoy guys. You're gonna get 1 cup of peeled garlic and you're gonna fill it with water to the top. Okay, next you're gonna add it into your blender. Just like that. Here you're gonna have 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 heaped of citric acid. Over here we have 3 cups of olive oil. No guys, you don't need olive oil. Vegetable oil, that's right. Okay, you're gonna add in the salt. And you're gonna put it on. Ready guys? And you're gonna blitz it until it's as creamy as you can get it. Okay guys, so you can see we've blitzed it for 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Let me give you a preview of how it looks. Pretty smooth. You already know it. Now we're gonna slowly, from this top nozzle in here, we're gonna add the 3 cups of vegetable oil in here as we're blitzing. Let's see it. Oh wow. Wow. Now we're gonna taste it. Need to get a teaspoon to taste it. Oh, it's so creamy. It looks like thickened cream. Alright, now let's try it. Tiny bit. Now I need some citric acid. I'm just gonna pour it all in. Citric acid, 1 heap of it. Let's check it. Oh yes, this is the smell guys. If you live in Australia, it'll smell like ojano awefe TOUM. Now we're gonna try. I'm gonna use the back of the spoon this time. Oh wow, this is perfect. Perfect guys. It's good we stopped blitzing now, because if you were to do it anymore, keep it any longer, it starts to break up and we don't want that. We want to keep it as one. Okay guys, for presentation, we've put it into this lovely bowl. And now I'm going to use a spoon just to gently pat it down. So yes, it made much more. This is just an example of how to plate it up. Presentable. Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to eat it.